got that. And so it's just okay. Boat trying to make it up in here. Another boat right behind them. Everybody's trying to get out of here, I guess. Wow, look at them come in. Hear it down there. Water's flying, guys. Get down. Oh my, there's a whole pontoon boat over there loaded with people. Hang on here. This trailer behind us is a pontoon trailer. Cool. That little kid's magnet fishing. Very cool. Whole mob of people has been getting off this boat. Well, I'm glad I stuck around now. A lot of crazy stuff happening all of a sudden. Okay. It's like the night people that's going to hit the rivers coming in or something. People still getting off that pontoon out there. That guy just took that pontoon back here behind us, so it goes to this boat right here. Everybody kind of loading up over there, trying to get their stuff picked up, I guess. I don't know. It's hard for me to see that far. Sea-doo is going on over here. That little kid's still magnet fishing. The guy's coming back to pick up that Yamaha boat. That other little boat's making it on there. He made it back. Hey, oh, hey guys. Oh, hey, I recognized you. Yeah, it's been a while.
That time of year.
Yeah. Well, have fun out there. Be careful. Be careful out there. Hey, man. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, I recognized them for a long time ago. Yeah, very cool. That's what I mean. Some of these people I see, and then I don't see them for a long time. I often wonder whatever happens, you know? All right. Trying to get this boat in, I think, here. I'm not sure what's happening there. He's been there a while. That's the guy that picked the trailer up here behind us here a minute ago. Well, where's the pontoon trailer? I guess he's stuck behind these guys, but I don't know why the guy with the big boat don't move it up and start getting it put in if that's what he's going to do. The other guy back behind the big boat is moving forward, wondering that too, probably. See, this guy's setting here. He's got this ramp. This one's just coming open. And he's got all this over here. Back in there, there's a guy back behind him trying to get through. He's going to cut through. And that other guy back there in that truck back there, that's the guy that was just here a minute ago. He's going to probably cut through too. Oh, look out there. I wonder if he's going to go out and stay on the river tonight, you know? He might. That guy with that pontoon trailer, he can't get through over there. He tried right there and he's backing up. I don't know why he can't make the corner though, really. He probably don't want to jump in front of this guy. Well, let's see what happens here. I guess he's going to try. I don't know. He's just hogging the whole place up, I guess. I looked down and seen this and I was like, what the? And then I seen the rope, and it was like, what in the world? It was like, where's the driver of that thing? Wow, what a boat though. That's a nice one. Better cut that baby, it's gonna hit that dock right there. Cut it hard, man, cut it hard. I remember backing stuff like that up. 42 or 45 foot back there. We got those love bugs coming back here. What the heck's going on here? See who's coming in? Oh yeah. There goes that pontoon finally getting through there. There's a trailer back there. Oh, I smell somebody cooking. I might have to try out that new McDonald's they just built over there. They going out. Another boat coming in over there, guys. Yeah, it's about 6 after 6, getting closer to 6:30 really. It'll get dark in about an hour probably. Okay, they doing something there. They got that big boat there. Cool, very cool.